Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. My name is Lauren, and today I am not going to be showing you how to make something to eat. I'm going to show you how to make something super delicious to drink. This is a great summer drink, and I think you're going to absolutely love it. We are going to be making a mango mezcal margarita using our mango beverage infusion and also some of our blue agave nectar. It's super easy to shake up and pour, and again, you're gonna absolutely love it. So let's get started. All we're really gonna need to do for this recipe is add everything into our shaker, shake it up, and pour it into a glass. So again, super simple and comes together really fast. So what I'm gonna do first is add in our delicious Amoretti ingredients. I'm going to use our blue agave nectar for some sweetness. I'm just gonna do 1 pump. And also we are going to be adding in our mango beverage infusion. The great thing about our mango beverage infusion is that it actually contains the real fruit. So it makes it really easy to infuse cocktails, mocktails, even just soda water with true fruit flavor without actually having to like muddle it up or blend it or do anything crazy. It's just, all you have to do is put it in your glass. It's super easy. And I'm gonna show you a really easy trick right here. Because they do contain the real fruit, there can be a little separation sometimes. So what you're gonna wanna do is hold the pump lid and shake until it gets all incorporated back together. Always make sure you hold the pump, the nozzle, because if you don't, you're gonna get splashed with beverage infusion and we don't like that. Who wants that? So hold that and you're good to go. Just shake it up and it's ready to use. So I'm gonna be doing 1.5 pumps of our mango beverage infusion in this cocktail. All right, so now that our mango beverage infusion and agave is into our glass, let's add our spirits. So I'm gonna be using tequila, because what is a margarita without tequila? Fresh, brand new bottle. And I'm just gonna be doing 1.5 ounces. Now I'm going to be adding some mezcal. If you really like that smoky flavor, instead of doing 1.5 ounces of tequila, you could do 1 ounce and 1 ounce of the mezcal. I'm just gonna do 1/2 ounce. I love the smoky flavor, but I don't want it to overpower my drink. I wanna get all of the delicious flavors evenly. So just 1/2 ounce here today. And now I'm gonna add in some Grand Marnier. You can use any kind of orange liqueur. This is just what I had on hand. I'm gonna be doing 1/4 ounce. And last, we gotta add in our lime because I need that citrusy flavor for a margarita, of course. So I'm just gonna do the juice of 1 lime. All right, now let's add in our ice and give it a little shake. All right, shake it up. All right, perfect. Our cocktail is almost done, but now we have to add on our finishing touches because we want a cocktail that tastes delicious, but we also want it to look delicious. So we're gonna give this a little garnish here. I have some tahini here. If you don't have this, you can just use regular salt. And I'm going to rim just about 1/4 to halfway down my glass, just on one side. So I'm gonna put some lime on there so it'll stick. I want a little bit further than halfway, but it's okay. It's still gonna look delicious. Just lightly roll it in. Okay, perfect. Our glass is ready. Now let's add some ice in here and strain in our margarita. All right, let's get this open here. And let's strain out our delicious margarita. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to drink this. And lastly, give it a little lime wheel. Why not? It looks pretty, it adds a little extra finishing touch, jazzes up the drink a little bit. And you know, it just looks very inviting and ready for me to drink it. All right, so my margarita's calling my name. It's ready to give it a try. So cheers. Make sure I get a little bit of that tahini in my sip. Oh my gosh, that is really, really, really good. That is absolutely delicious. You get such a bold mango flavor, and that smokiness of the mezcal and mango just go together really, really well. It's the perfect summer drink, or it's great for any time of the year where you need to add a little taste of the tropics into your life. So cheers, I really hope that you give this a try. If you enjoyed the recipe, let me know in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that little button down below. You can subscribe. You'll never miss any new recipes, tips and tricks, or testimonial videos from our customers. You can also find us on social media as @Amoretti on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Pinterest. See you next time. Cheers.